Two free certificate for clinical research roles, CGP and Introduction to Clinical Research course. Links are below. This get you past the filter. They do not get you the CRA job. GCP certificates are free. That's why everyone keeps on telling go get a free GCP certificate. A certificate alone does not make you job ready. It's like thinking like getting a driving license, but don't know how to drive a car. Driving license is important. Same way, certificate is important, but they lack practical experience. So employer look for people who have experience with real system under deadline pressures. Hands-on experience on first is they need CTMS, clinical trial management system, EDC, electronic data capture platform. Take up internship or voluntary services to gain hands-on. My recommendation, starting from zero, step 1, get the certificate, that is free. Step 2, do a short intro course like Global Health Networks, that is also a free CR course. Third, target CTA or CRC course rather than CRA. Short internship or volunteer research assistant position at hospital academic sites for real hands-on experience. Create a portfolio of your work experience. For creating a portfolio, I have already uploaded a video on my channel. Check for the link. Bottom line is you get the credentials, free certificate, get the real exposure, and then you start applying so that you can be easily hired. Global Health Training Center is WHO affiliated. Once you navigate to the website, you need to, if you have not signed in before, you need to register. Registration is completely free. No payment details are required. So you will register your full name, your job category. So you are a student, investigator, monitor, clinician, project manager. You add on what applies to you. Then you belong to which country. So it is free worldwide. Then email configuration, password, and then you will register. Once you register, you will find the course on their main page. On the home page, you will see e-learning courses, and below that you will find list of courses, and this is Introduction to Clinical Research and Good Clinical Practice. So we'll click on Introduction to Clinical Research, and the details are there. This course can be taken into 45 minutes. It won't take lots of time, it's only 45 minutes. You have to go through each module in order. Then at the end of this module, there is a quiz. So this module covers how does clinical research differ from standard care, what is informed consent, why is it needed, then types of study designs and ethical standards, and at the end you will take the quiz. The quiz is very simple. It's a short quiz around 15 to 20 questions and it is MCQ based. You can also retake the quiz. Okay, once you complete your quiz, your result will be uploaded at the same time and you can see that you have to submit the button. They have given the instructions. Then the score should be 100 or 80%. If you want to retry, you can give retry. If your score is not 100%, you get the certificate. Okay, from here get the certificate, you click and you can save your certificate and then see. Another course you can take is good clinical practice. There is total 8 modules and 180 minutes is required to complete the course, and for this you have to gain 80%. Okay, so if you have a look, there's 8 modules. It's a simple one, and in between the module there is knowledge check, which is a quiz. Once you clear the quiz, you get your certificate. Once you have completed the Introduction to Clinical Research course and GCP, and if you feel that clinical research is the career you want to pursue, you can take the next step by exploring SWAYAM's Health Research Fundamental course. So this is basically has 8-week modules. Okay, so they will teach you about study designs, the methods, clinical trial methods, and then at the end they will also teach you how to write manuscript writing and grant proposal writing. Once you complete the course and if you are sure to pursue clinical research, then you can go ahead with exam, and the exam cost is 1000 rupees, and the date and time of exam is September 2026. You join the course and you are ready to go.